What's up guys, Wes back with Auto Mafia once again. Today we're installing full-length UPR subframe connectors. Obviously I sell these because they're on my car, right? So if you guys need a set of these, hit me up. You always need a set of these if you have a 79 to 2004 Ford Mustang because they do not have frames that connect front and back. You need these to tie them together so that you will not twist that chassis. So we're going to go ahead and install these. I'm going to clean up the frame rails first with the grinder. Grind off a little piece of this transmission cross member so these will fit up nice and tight. And then we're going to weld it on. Always make sure you prep before welding. Let's do it.